Okay, that's paintless dent repair. Jose, question. Your last vehicle, I don't know what you did with it, but how many keys did you have with it when you traded it or sold it?
Two.
Two? That's good news. And the reason it's good news is, have you ever looked into what it costs to replace a key fob these days?
Well, I've heard anywhere from 150 or more.
It's going to be probably starting at about $250 and go up to $500. You know, the fact that you had two when you sold or traded your car was good news for you because it made your vehicle worth more. What happens is when most people lose a key, they just take better care of their last key because they are so expensive to replace. However, with our Motor Trend certified vehicles, we're going to provide you 6 months of complimentary key replacement coverage. Should you lose that key fob, which is basically a mini computer, I mean, it's got a chip in it that matches up with a chip in your engine. To replace it requires programming. And in addition, if you lose your entire key ring, we're going to provide you another $200 to replace those keys. Okay? Any dealer ever offered you that type of coverage before?
No.
By the way, we put it in writing. Okay, key replacement.